Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you all as I recently crossed 1.5k subscribers. It means a lot to me. Keep shouting like this. Thanks again. So today I am going to take you on a virtual tour of Raghurajpur, the artist village of Odisha. Many of you already know about this place. Raghurajpur is a small village located near Puri and famous for his beautiful traditional Pattachitra paintings. I visited this place in October 2021, but sharing now, 2 years later, I know it's late, but what to do? So let's start the video and I will give you information in between. This place is also known as the birthplace of one of the finest and legendary Odissi dancer, Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra, and Gotipua dancer Padmasri Guru Magunicharan Das. It is also the birthplace of Shilpa Guru Dr. Jagannath Mahapatra, who is a prominent Pattachitra artist and has a huge contribution on the development of Pattachitra art and Raghurajpur village. Walking through the narrow lanes of the village, you will see a large number of houses with beautiful murals and paintings on the walls. The village has a rich cultural heritage and is home to many talented and finest artists of the country who have been practicing their crafts for generations. Pattachitra paintings of Raghurajpur have been recognized by the government as a state-level art form. Some of the artists are internationally recognized too. These paintings depict various mythological tales and showcase the rich culture and history of Odisha. As you can see, we are entering the house of one of such artists named Kanu Behra. See the room, it's full of artworks. And just see, they paint on almost every surface: bottle, kettle, bucket, wooden surface, palm leaves, betel nut. tosor fabric, and obviously paper is there. The artists here use natural materials like leaves, flowers, and clay to create their intricate artwork. Just see the intricacy. It's truly amazing, isn't it? Visiting Raghurajpur is a unique opportunity to experience a rich cultural heritage and an ancient art form that has been passed down through generations. The vibrant colors, intricate designs, and the skilled craftsmanship of the artists here are truly breathtaking. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction of Raghurajpur Artist Village. Inspired to visit this beautiful place? Really, you must visit. While visiting Puri the next time, just take an auto and go to this village. You will not be disappointed. I assure you that. So thank you for watching, and please like the video, comment your views, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.